How to sync LastPass across devices. So LastPass syncs automatically across devices by using your single account to save and access credentials. So make sure that the account you're using on different devices is the same account. And to ensure that your vault is accessible on all devices, you just simply need to install the LastPass extension or app on each device. Then log in with your master password and then go to the account settings. And there should be a section there called Trusted Devices. And also when you're logging into a different device, there may be a prompt to add a device to your Trusted Devices, and you just simply need to list it if it's prompted. But if not, you will be able to see the devices right here where you have logged in. Then you can just simply select the devices that you want to mark as a trusted device. Then changes made on one device, such as adding a new password, will sync to all other devices when they are online and connected to your account. And that is how you basically sync your LastPass across devices.